Your idea is impressive, but I've never heard of your company before.
A great product deserves visibility. LinkedIn influencer marketing can help professionals discover your brand.
We lost the deal because they had never heard of professionals.
Let's reach decision makers through LinkedIn influencer marketing with anchors.
They didn't even know we existed.
The best product can't win if nobody sees it. Let's build awareness with LinkedIn influencer marketing through anchors.
But customers outside our city don't know us.
Let's tell our story through LinkedIn creators and reach businesses across India. Build trust, build visibility. Discover anchors.
We've increased the budget,
But nothing has changed. Let's stop interrupting people with ads and start earning attention through LinkedIn creators.
How are you growing so fast?
We stopped chasing everyone. We use LinkedIn creators to reach the right professionals.
Discover how Anchors helps you. 6 months and still no one knows our brand.
LinkedIn influencer marketing is the key.